resolution, whatever. And I want to see what it looks like. Hopefully you guys like it more with HD. Let me know what you think. Fuck, I should have put that king in check. Damn it. Too late. So, anyways, the game's fast. I like the fast games. I like giving you video content. When you click, the game gets hot quick with it, yo. Fast games, fast streams. When you watch LearnChessFast.com, I'm going to tell you what you're going to get. You're going to get content, the content you want immediately when you click play. You click my thumbnails, boom, chess game already playing. And now I'm in a... man, this isn't a good start. Hopefully even out, you know. I'm at least, you know, play with this guy, make this guy shaking his boots a little bit. If I can chop some of this stuff up, bring the queen back quick and structure up, I might be okay. But this guy is from England land. See, this is great because he's burning the clock. I might get him on time if anything else on this one. Wow, you did that? Why? Dummy. Now you're in check, bro. You gotta do something, bro. You in check, bro. You can't be in check, bro. Now I just took your bishop, yo. Wow. Okay, I just swung this game in my favor. He just made some dummy mistakes. It's hard, though. I did one barbarization. Okay, that was a quick, fast game, HD. We got a little bit extra time to review. Let's review what the hell went wrong, because there's a few things. That's a 9-turn game. So this is a good opening. This is also a good opening. It's not as common, but it is good to break out the structure, because as soon as he brings this pawn here, boom, he's immediately opening up his king. Not a good move for him. Where's lines? I wish I could do lines. Oh, that's cool! I got lines? That's amazing, man. Oh, I'm going to keep these lines. That's cool. See, because now you're opening up the king here on this slide here. Not a good move, buddy. Anyways, he takes it. I take it with the queen. I was a little annoyed because this queen is now dead open, and I don't like that. But let's continue. See, this is actually a good move on his part. Putting the knight there. But then he made this mistake of trying to chase my queen. And he's opened up all these squares. But let's continue. And he keeps chasing my queen with a pawn. Dumbest thing ever. Now he's opened up all these spaces. And then he moved this bishop out here. You see, this is what he did wrong. He just kept chasing my queen. You cannot outpace a queen in the beginning of the game. And then I forked his knight and his rook here. I couldn't take the rook because the queen was there. But he moved this bishop here. I think he thought, I don't know what he was thinking. But this is stupid. Now I can put him in check and take his knight. That's when he lost the game. He lost the game right here. As soon as the game gets imbalanced, that's essentially, most times than not, that's when you lose the game. So now he's forced to move the king, and boom, I take his bishop. Game over. How come it's not? Oh, and then he resigned, that's right. That's how I won. Okay, LearnChessFast.com, boom! HD streaming quality stream. Let me know what you think.